So this is my video on changing the glass. I did it on my A7R II first, and now I've got the A7. So using a sharp knife, I just picked up the corner of the screen and started peeling it back gently. Careful not to scratch the LCD screen. You can see fingerprints on it, but this is what I was doing, just pulling it back very, very carefully. Because it's a movable LCD screen, you have to hold it down with your fingers, but I was holding the camera at the time. Once the screen starts to come off, it's fairly straightforward, it's fairly easy, just take your time. And there you can see the screen start to come off, and you can see what I mean by holding your fingers down. And now, as you can see, this is peeling off nicely. You get the peeling off going, and then eventually it will come off. So with the screen off, we now take the wipes. It's the wet wipe first of all. And you can see the little bit of residue left on the screen there that I'm going to rub vigorously and get that off. It does all come off. The wet wipe is very good. And just rub the back of the screen with the wet wipe, getting off all the finger marks, making sure everything's off. There is somewhere that says do it in one direction because it prevents a static build-up, but I don't know about that, no idea. But this is the wet wipe anyway, and then we go on to the dry wipe. So once you're happy that everything's off the screen with the wet wipe, we'll move on to the dry wipe, which is the second one that's provided in the pack. That's done. Dry wipe, conveniently pointed out by myself. They're only small, but they do a very good job of cleaning. And then once it's dried off, we go on to the next stage. So this is the next stage now. I've unpacked the screen. You can see a sticker on it that says the back. What that means is that's the sticky side that goes down onto the camera, so it goes in that orientation downwards onto the camera. And they handily provide a couple of guide stickers for you to put onto the screen to assist with positioning it on the back of the camera. So I'm just affixing those stickers on there now. Quite difficult to do with holding the camera on a tripod and getting it pointed in the same direction. So stickers are on the back now, and then what you do is you just peel off the adhesive side and then place it down. So this is there showing now that I've peeled off the adhesive side. I've positioned it as best I can, and it just shows a quick press in the middle on the outside, and it should seal itself. Any bubbles that you can take out afterwards, just by a gentle rub of the dry wipe there, just to make sure all the bubbles are out. And then it's a question of taking off the guide stickers, and you're done. So as I said, I did this on the A7R II first, and this is my A7 backup camera, and you can see now that the A7R II, turning the camera on, everything works as it should do. So I bought the kit off of Amazon, and this is the kit. I'll put a link below.